Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new series on solving problems using Python programming. So the name of this particular series is Solving Numbers or Fun with Numbers using Python. So this is the first lecture in this series, and in this particular session we will be writing a program to count the digits in a number. There are so many ways to do it. Let us uh, do it in mathematics sense. Means let us use some common mathematics to understand that how to generate or how to know the number of digits in a particular uh, integer with the help of log. So let's say I am interested in finding out the number of digits present in this number, that is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we'll be doing is, let us write this number in a scientific format, that is 2.4 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if I take natural log base 10 of it, so log base 10 for 2.4 into 10 to the power 4, it will come out as, let me write this thing first. So log base 10, 10 to the power 4 plus log base 10, 2.4. So if you solve this, this will come as 4 plus, so if I try to solve what is the log of 2.4, so it will be 0.38 and so on. So the output will come out as 4.38. Okay. Now the thing is, if I take the integer part for this particular, then this will give me 4. And if I add 1 to it, then that will be the total number of digits present in the number. So let us check. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. So simple. So you just have to do what in the program? You have to take the log, then log base 10 basically. Then you have to convert or typecast this in integer form. So what it will do? It will remove this and only give you this and then simply add 1. So let us head to the Jupyter notebook and see that how can we do this particular task. So now let's say I'm asking for a number from the user. So it is int input and then string, enter a number, and then what we'll be doing is we will be taking log base 10 for this number n. But the thing is, from where this function log 10 will come? It is basically present in the module named as math. So how to import a module? So we can write import math. This is one way. Another way is you can also say, now let me do this and show you how to work with this. If I write like this, then what I have to do is I have to write math and then dot. So this will be telling me that from math module, so this is what, this is the method, so this is the function present there, so we have to write math dot. So if I run this, so let's say 1 2 3 is the number, so it will return me 2.8 and so on. There is another way, we import math as, so if writing math is boring you, then you can simply alias it using ma. And here, instead of writing full math, you can simply say ma dot. Again, this will be giving you the same thing. If you are not interested in this, then what you can do is from math import then log 10. So here, as I am requiring only log 10, so what I'll do is I'll ask that from math module only bring this particular, only import this particular function. So now I needn't have to write this ma dot or math dot. I can simply run it. Or if you want, and if you don't know in Prairie that how many functions from this particular module you will be requiring before writing a program, it will never happen, but let's say you don't know. Then you simply say star, bring all the function whatsoever present are there in the math module to this particular program. So if you run this, this will be giving me the same result. Okay, so there are so many ways. Now, the program says you take log base 10 of the number, then typecast the result to the integer and add 1 to it. So if I typecast it to integer and then add 1 to it, then that will give me my number of digits. So let's say 1, 2, 3. How many digits are there? 3. So my answer should come out as 3. That's it. Simple. Let us run it one more time and let's say give some bigger number. So how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer should come out as 8. Oh, what has happened? It has come 8. Okay. So in this way, you can use your mathematics to evaluate the number of digits present in any number. Apart from this, what we can do is, that in Python, there is a data type called as string. So anything written in single quotes or double quotes, that will be taken as string. So if I am writing a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside a string, or I am simply using this input function to ask for the number from the keyboard, then whatsoever will be entered by the keyboard will be stored or kept as string. So that is the same. Either you give directly string or you use this. Once this is done, there is a function present to count the number of characters in that string. So len is that function which simply counts the number of characters present in that string. That's it. You have used the Python inbuilt functions to tell that how many digits are there in a number, but remember that particular string should not having anything before and anything after that particular number. Otherwise, it will count those characters also. So that will give you a wrong answer. So let us demonstrate this also. So consider I'm asking from user, let us take this. I'm asking from user that give me some number. Don't typecast it, because typecasting will not work, because I want what? I want a string. Then I simply count the length of that string, and then that's the answer. So if I say enter a number, I enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 4. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digits are there. So the answer should come out as 8. And that's it. So if there is a string and you are entering the number as string, then what will happen? That particular number, the length of that string will be nothing but the number of digits. Now comes to the formal method of finding out the number of digits present in a number. Okay, so now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is my number, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are the digit. Now what I'll do is, I will take this number out and I'll make a counter. The moment I take this number out from this bigger number, I will add 1. So if I take this out, I will add 1. If I take this out, I will add 1. If I take this out, I will add 1. And if I take this out, I will add 1. I'll do this process till the number becomes 0. And here comes my output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digits are there in total in this particular number. Now the question is, if I am having number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then how to remove this particular digit from the number? You do what? If you floor divide this number by 10, what will happen? You know what is floor division? Floor division simply gives you the integer part, not the fraction part. So if let's say I am having, so let me show this to you in the Jupyter. So if I am having, let's say 12, I am dividing this by 5. Okay. So what should be the output? The output should be 2.4. That means 2 will be there and then plus the remainder. So 5 2s are 10. So 2 will be remainder. So 2 whole 2 by 5 is the answer. So that fraction part is also coming in the answer because of this particular operator. This is division operator, and that is what we call as float division in Python. Now, if I use this, then this particular thing is called as floor division. So what it will do, it will remove this decimal part and only give me this integer part, that is 2. So if I run it, now you can see it is coming out as 2. Let's say instead of this, I am having 23. So 5 4s are 20 and 3 will come out as the remainder. So 4 is the integer part, so it will come as such. So if I run this, so I am getting 4. So in this way you can use this floor operator. So if you look here, if I divide this number by 10, floor division if I do, then what will happen? 1, 2, 3, 4 will come, and after that it is 0.5, so it will not come. So initially my number was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what I'll do, I'll take that number, floor divided by 10, and assign that number to n. And the moment I remove it and assign, I will be increasing the counter. That's it. And when this program will stop? This program will stop when the number becomes 0. Okay, so let's write it. So let's say I want a number, I'm asking from user to enter a number. I'll copy this particular thing. So enter a number, integer. Okay, now what? Then I will be writing first, let's make a counter for counting the digits and initialize it with 0. Then while this this number is not equal to 0. What does this mean? This means run the while loop till this condition satisfied, till the number is not 0. The moment number becomes 0, that will come out of the loop. Then do what? Then do floor division of that number by 10 and assign that to n. So the moment you do, one number will be removed from the last, and the moment it happens, you update or increase the count by 1. So count assign count plus 1. Or you can also use this arithmetic assignment operator. That means count plus equal 1. Both are same. And once this is done, you simply print the count. Print digits are, and here count, and then run it. So let's take number 1, 2, 3, 4. How many digits are there? 4. So what should be the output? 4. So it is giving me 4. Simple. Again, if I run it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many digits are there? 6. So answer should be 6. It is coming 6. So in this way, you can count the number of digits present in a number. But if you want to write that the number of digits in this number is this, So if let me do some mistake, and then I'll tell you how to handle it. The number of digits in the number n are this. Okay, so if I run it, there is a mistake. First I run it, then I'll show you the mistake, and then I'll tell you how to rectify it. So if I run it, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4 is the number. How many digits are there? 4. So it should print that the number of digits in the number 1, 2, 3, 4 are this. So what it said, oh ho, it is giving me correct, but it is saying the number is 0. Why? Because every time I do the floor division, the number is getting reduced, and when the number becomes 0, it is coming out of the loop. So just before this print statement, what is the n? N is nothing but 0. So how to handle it? You make one more variable, origi, original number n, and assign that n to this original number, and then you print this original number. So if you do this, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, then you will be getting your answer that the number of digits in the number 1, 2, 3, 4 are 4. So friends, in this lecture, you have learned that how to get the digits in a particular number. I have shown you 3 ways you can follow. First, the log. Second, using your number as string. And the final one is the conventional way, the logical way of getting the digits out of a number. So in this lecture, till this point only, thank you very much for watching it. And in the next lecture, we will be solving more on this. Basically, we'll be building up on this particular program. Take care.